Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about how to make a line graph. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now before we answer this example class, let's define first what is a line graph. So a line graph is a visual representation of data that changes over time. The line graph uses lines and dots to show a potential future pattern or trend. So let's answer this example. The data below describes the progress of reading ability rating of 1 to 10 of grade 2 students at an elementary school from June to December. So construct a line graph based on the data. So we have given category, that would be months, and we have June, July, August, September, October, and then December. So level of reading ability, so for June that would be 2, for July that would be 3, August 4, September 6, October 8, and then December that would be 10. Now, the first thing that you need to do, class, to construct a line graph, you need to draw vertical line together with horizontal line. So, once again, first step, you draw vertical line together with horizontal line. And this line should intersect each other. Alright, so vertical line together with horizontal line. Now, in this horizontal line, class, most of the times, these are the categories. So our categories, we have months, so we have June, and then we have July, we have August, September, October, and then December. Alright, so once again, first step, you draw vertical line together with horizontal line, and this horizontal line, most of the times, class, these are the categories, and our categories, that would be months. Alright, so categories, that would be months. Alright, and in this vertical line, class, this will be our frequencies. And this will be the level of reading ability. So we have 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. So highest number, that would be 10. So for us to write that number, we need to draw horizontal lines for us to be guided with regards to these numbers. So you can draw as many as you can, class, with regards to the horizontal lines. So let's draw this one, horizontal lines, for us to be guided in writing down the numbers. So once again, class, the line spacing must be the same. So once again, class, this is just a rough sketch with regards to our graph. Then later on, class, I will draw this graph again using a ruler. Alright, so once again, you can draw as many as you can with regards to horizontal lines. The spacing, class, the line spacing must be the same, class. Okay, the line spacing of this one must be the same to this one, and this one. So that's why, class, it's better for you to use a ruler when you draw these lines. Alright, and then you can write down the frequencies. So you start at 0. Alright, and then you check, class, what would be the greatest number, our greatest number of frequency, that would be 10. So we can write 0 to 10, but in my end, class, we don't have enough space if we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So let's check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So we don't have enough space, class, to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So in your end, class, if you have enough space, go ahead, class, you can write 0 to 10. Because as I told you earlier, class, you can write horizontal lines as many as you can. So you can have this horizontal line, class, as many as you can. But once again, class, your vertical line will be too high. So in our end, class, let's have skip counting by 2. Because we don't have enough space to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So let's have skip counting by 2. So we start with 0, and then 0 plus 2, that's 2. 2 plus 2, that's 4. 4 plus 2, that's 6. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Alright, and then we will be erasing this top part, this one right here. Alright, so we have 0 to 10. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. And this will be our categories. Once again, on the horizontal line, that would be months, and this one, class, this will be our level of reading ability, and this will be the frequencies. Alright, so let me just draw again our graph, class, using a ruler, and then later on, class, we will plot this following frequencies with regards to our table. Alright, so we already have our table class. So once again, this will be the categories, horizontal line. So we have June, July, August, September, October, and then December. Our categories, there would be months. And then level of reading ability, this will be our frequencies. So our guide, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. Alright, so let's start with June. So our level of reading ability for June, that would be 2. So therefore, this one right here. Alright, so simply draw a point or a dot. So for June, that would be 2. Alright, so this is for June. And then for July, that would be 3. So that would be greater than 2. So if this is 4, this is 2. Therefore, that would be in between 2 and 4, that is 3. So once again, class, this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So therefore, in between 2 and 4, that would be 3. So this will be July, that would be 3. Alright, and then for August, that would be 4. So if this is August, and that would be 4. So this one right here, exactly on this line. So that would be for August. Once again, class, you can draw dots. In the line graph, class, there would be dots and then lines. September, that would be 6. So September, that would be 6. This one right here. So you align September. Alright, August and then June. And then October, that would be 8. So October, that's 8. This one right here. Exactly in this line. Alright, and then for December, that would be 10. So December, that would be 10. So perfect for the level of reading ability on December. And then you can connect this dots, class. Connect this one using lines. That's why, class, we call this one line graph, because we are connecting the dots using a line. Alright, and then connect this one. Alright, so connect this one. Alright, connect this one. And then connect this one. Alright, so that's it, class, with regards to our line graph. So as we can see, class, the students is actually improving. So from June up to December, as we can see, based on the line graph, the students is actually improving with regards to the level of reading ability. So on December, class, students, all of the students already know how to read and understand the written material, because the level of reading ability, that would be 10. So on December, grade 2 students already know how to read and understand the written material on December, because the level of ability, reading ability, that would be 10. And as we can see, based on the line graph, the level of reading ability is actually improving starting from June up to December. Alright, so that's it, class, with regards to the line graph. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.